Alright guys, I'm going to do a top 5 EDC blade video. Of course I got my SRC 9 and of course my United States. Don't tread on me. But the gun is loaded guys. I just got back and loaded. But I guess I'll start from my favorite to least favorite. Benchmade Crkt D2 steel, OD green, black oxidized coating on the blade. Let's see if I can get it to focus, guys. Remember, I'm using my phone. It's a 551. And then got the Spyderco tenachious with the, come on, there we go. Alright. Like the clip on it, sticks out just a little bit too high. I'm going to modify that. I like the deep pocket carry though. Crkt Carson design M16 12Z tanto blade, half serrated. I figure I don't have really hardly any but one, maybe two. Well, this will be my second serrated knife. I like the double lock on it. Everybody's been talking a lot about them. I had to sand down a clip. It's actually been, it's been used, and I got it secondhand. So, and my Endura 4 carried the living crap out of this. You can tell by the pocket clip. Seki City, Japan. Sorry. BG10 blade. Spyderco. I got smaller hands, so I feel like I'm carrying a machete almost with this thing. But you can tell the blade where I've carried it. Don't get me wrong. And of course, for an EDC knife, this is not particularly an EDC knife, but I've been carrying it for a while. When I first got it, I carried for about 3 months. Cut everything I wanted to with it. And it is the Lightning OTX 440C stainless steel. And I'm not sure. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is AUS 8 on the Crkt M16 12Z. But y'all have a great day and God bless.